last question is, what do we do if we are walking outdoors somewhere, like at a park, walking down the neighborhood or at work, and a non-Jew is grilling unkosher meat, like chicken or hamburgers, and you happen to accidentally breathe in the scent of the meat, and it starts to entice your senses? Are we supposed to spit that flavor out so we can get rid of that, or the thought of the craving that food or something?
Okay, it's a very good question. It's a very good question. So there is no problem to smell and this. I mean, especially as we said, it was accidental. But if you feel like the flavor it's in your mouth, yeah, that's, I would suggest say spit it out. Yes, that is true. But if it just you smell in, like you don't have to do anything. So, and it's no way or nothing. It's not like smell. It's not in some halachic terms, ideas, it would be like considered something, but mostly in others, it's like smell is it's not the essence of the food. There's no essence of the food in the smell. Let's put it this way. So if one more time, if you have like strong like taste in your mouth, spit it out, right? But if you just smell, like I remember I used to live in another place, and there is a bus stop, right? I used to take bus, and by the bus stop it was this Italian bakery, and it like smells so good, it's unbelievable. I'm not sure. I mean, most of the ingredients, I guess, in the bakery is like they do pastries. I don't know, maybe I think it's kosher, but the bakery is not kosher. So I mean, but it smells so good. So we try to like go around. But